Welcome to Skimmy's News. Please do like and subscribe for more latest updates.
Respected Deputy Mayor of Gangtok Municipality Corporation, respected guests and dignitaries from the central and the state governments, respected representatives from the various sports associations, respected Secretary Sports and Youth Affairs Department, Government of Sikkim, Srimati Yangchen Domatamang and officials of the Sports and Youth Affairs Department, Government of Sikkim. Respected heads of the department and officials from various government department of Sikkim, esteemed guests, and my dear young friends from across the northeastern state. Ladies and gentlemen, friends from the press and media, good evening and namaskar to every one of you present here. It is a great privilege to stand before this vibrant gathering at the 8th Northeast Youth Festival, where the energy, aspirations and potential of our youth come together to shape the future of our region and our great nation Bharat. This year's theme, Empower Youth, Empower Region, My Bharat, Vikasit Bharat, regenerates deeply with the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, who has laid out the ambitious roadmap of Vikasit Bharat 2047, our vision to transform India into a fully developed nation on the completion of 100 years of our independence. This mission is not just a government initiative, but a call to action for every citizen, particularly the youth, to actively participate in building a prosperous and self-reliant Bharat. For decades, the Northeast was often viewed through a political lens with minimal focus on real development. However, from the year 2014, under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, our region has undergone a historic and holistic transformations, emerging as a hub of progress. Enhanced connectivity, improved infrastructures and economic expansion are creating unprecedented opportunity for our youth. We are thankful to the Honorable Prime Minister for giving the auspicious name of Astalakshmi to the Northeast region and providing special opportunities to us to prosper and grow higher. As an incredible historical milestone, our Prime Minister has visited our Northeast region over 60 times just for our sake. Well, the visit of a Prime Minister before 2014 used to be very rare. Today, the Northeast region stands at the threshold of limitless possibilities. This is the most favorable time for our young minds to dream big, take bold steps and steer the region towards greater prosperity. We are also thankful to the Government of India for formulating new industrial development scheme, Unnati 2024, as a center sector scheme for the development of industrial and generation of employment in the state of Northeast region. The key focus area for youth development include education and skill development, which are essential for preparing our youth for a global future. Our government is investing in progressive institutions and vocational training centers in advanced fields such as artificial intelligence, robotics and the digital economy, alongside specialized coaching and scholarship for aspiring civil servants, defense personnel and government's mechanism. Moreover, industry tie-ups and training programs are bridging the gap between education and employability. We also emphasize entrepreneurship, encouraging youth to be job creators, not just job seekers, by leveraging opportunities in agriculture, tourism, handicraft and traditional farming. My dear friends, government initiatives like State of India, Stand Up India and state level support program provide funding, mentorship and market access. While e-commerce and digital marketing help expand Northeast product to national and global market. In terms of employment and career growth, the booming private sector offers vast opportunities in IT, hospitality, aviation, and healthcare, complemented by increasing corporate investment and internship, apprenticeship, and online learning program to enhance competitiveness. Moreover, sports, arts, and culture are key domain where Northeast talents is gaining global recognition. With dedicated effort to nurture the showcase our region's rich artistic and athletics potential, the Northeast has produced world-class athletes, musicians, and artists. Our government is committed to investing in sports infrastructure, academic, and culture program which will nurture our talent. Promoting regional art, music, and filmmaking on national and global platform. Using social media and digital avenues to elevate the Northeast as a cultural powerhouse. The pristine nature of the Northeast is our greatest asset. Development must go hand in hand with environmental responsibility. Ecotourism, traditional farming, and green energy project will play a crucial role in shaping the future market. Our youth must become the torchbearer of sustainable progress, advocating for responsible tourism and conservation effort. We must not forget that the Northeast region is a land of beauty and opportunity. Beyond its economic potential, our region is blessed with breathtaking landscape and a rich cultural heritage, from Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh, Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, Loktak Lake in Manipur, Jokhu Valley in Nagaland to Changu Lake in Sikkim, and many more. We have some of the world's most magnificent destinations in our region. Similarly, the Hornbill Festival in Nagaland and the Makar Sankranti Festival in Sikkim are vibrant cultural celebrations that foster unity and brotherhood among people from diverse backgrounds. Hornbill Festival Nagaland held annually from December 1st to 10 in Kasama Heritage Village near Kohima is known as the Festival of Festivals. The festival strengthens intertribal bonds and attract thousands of tourists, promoting cultural exchange and economic opportunities for local artisans and performers. Last year we had a profound opportunity to participate in this festival and share our alliance with the northeastern state. Likewise, Makar Sankranti Festival is celebrated on January 14 in Sikkim in a grand manner, particularly at Jharkhand near the confluence of the two rivers, Rangit and Rambagh. The fair attracts thousands of devotees, pilgrims, and visitors, featuring religious rituals, traditional music, dance, and sports like river rafting and whistling. The event symbolizes harmony and social unity, bringing together people of different communities to celebrate cultural heritage. Both festivals play a crucial role in preserving indigenous tradition, promoting tourism, and fostering brotherhood among diverse ethnic groups. Contribution to social and economic growth in their respective states. Coming to the context to tourism, if developed strategically, tourism can become a major source of employment and economic growth, benefiting thousands of young entrepreneurs and workers. This leadership result in becoming the architect of change. So I urge our youth to actively participate in politics, governance, as well as social initiatives. Transparency, accountability, and innovation must be the pillar of new age leadership. If we truly want to drive progress, we must step forward, take charge, and shape policies that impact our future. We must have a collective commitment to Vikasit Bharat 2047. My dear friends, this is our moment to rise. Let us embrace the vision of Vikasit Bharat 2047 envisioned by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, and work tirelessly to uplift ourselves, our communities, and our nation. Let us pledge to continuously learn and upskill ourselves, foster innovations and entrepreneurship, preserve our culture, environment and heritage, lead with integrity and contribute to a developed Northeast and a developed India. Let's remain always united and put effort collectively. The future belongs to those who dare to dream and work relentlessly to turn those dreams into reality. I have full confidence that the youth of the Northeast region will lead India towards a brighter tomorrow. This year, Sikkim is proud to host the 8th Northeast Youth Festival from 17 to 20 March 2025 under the aegis of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. I extend my heartiest gratitude to the Ministry for their generous support. This festival has brought together 552 young participants, including officials, technical team, and subordinates from the northeastern states, NSS volunteers, program officers, Nehru Yuva Kendra, Sangathan volunteers, and others members. I extend my heartiest thanks to all the participants, delegates, officers, and organizers who have contributed to making this festival a grand success, which serve as a bridge of unity, fostering cultural exchange, friendship, and national integration among the youth of Northeastern region. It provides a unique platform to explore diverse traditions, language, foods, and art forms, while also encouraging intellectual and professional development. Before I conclude, I would like to mention here that Honorable Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya ji, was also prepared to visit Sikkim during the Northeast Youth Festival this year. However, due to Parliament session, he could not come this time. We thank him for his concern and extend our profound gratitude to him and the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, for their generous support towards this festival. I wholeheartedly thank the Honorable Governor of Sikkim, Sri Om Prakash Mathur ji, who had chaired the opening ceremony of Grand 8th Northeast Youth Festival. Similarly, I extend my sincere gratitude to Honorable Union Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, Srimati Raksha Nikhil Kharse Prasad, Madam, for her benign presence. I thank all the participants from Northeast India, including the guides, organizers, managers, and coaches of both the competitive and non-competitive event. I also thank the Honorable Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Sikkim, Sri Araju Vistaju. Thank to respected Secretary Srimati Yangchen Doma Tamang and the officials of the Sports and Youth Affairs Department, and to all those who have worked tirelessly behind the scene to make this event a grand success. Last but not the least, on behalf of Sikkim, I extend our heartiest greetings and best wishes to the people and the governments of all the northeastern states. We deeply appreciate the contributions of the people of the Northeast region in fostering unity, progress, and development. May the state continue to prosper, and may the spirit of harmony, resilience, and brotherhood thrive among the communities. We look forward to strengthening our bonds and working together for a bright future. This festival has brought us together with a spirit of oneness. Let us take forward the spirit of the festival and work together to build a stronger, more prosperous, and more united Northeast. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Sikkim, Jai Northeast, Jai Lakshmi. Dhanyavad. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Sikkimese News. Please do like and subscribe for more latest updates.